does Ericsson do? Ericsson is a B2B company. So we are behind every telecom company like Airtel's, BSNL's of the world. What we do? Our core business is a radio and core network which gives connectivity, and we also are behind the OSS and BSS part, like the charging and billing that you get. The bills that you get are actually printed under Airtel's, BSNL's of the world, but the actual system, the IP